Okay friends, to get started what we're going to do is we're going to come right here and we're going to take off this outer trim panel here. To do that, if you were to look right along in between the center part and the outer part, you're going to see that there's a little tab that's kind of hidden right inside the center here. I'm just going to come in with my nice flat screwdriver, carefully pry on this, and then I should be able to carefully pull this away. We'll do the same up along the top. And there should be another one right down along the bottom. There we are. Put this aside. The next thing we're going to do is take a nice trim tool and we're going to carefully get underneath this, lift it up, and then we're going to disconnect our wiring. Just going to push on this tab, give this a nice little wiggle, draw that away. Anytime you remove any electrical, always look for any funny colors. If you see anything, it's probably corrosion that needs to be dealt with. There we are. Continue on doing the same to all the rest. Set this aside. Up inside the handle, you're going to find two 7mm headed bolts. Here, pop this off of here. Set this aside. Using a nice fork tool, let's go ahead and pull out this push clip. Now the next thing we need to do is come along the edge. I'm just going to try to pull and try to pry this away from the door. Okay. Lift up on this. Let's go ahead and grab onto this. Pull it right out of there. Remove the door panel from the vehicle. Now let's just grab onto this. We'll pull it out of here. Now the next thing we need to do is get this right out of here. You're going to notice that you have either a mounting screw or a rivet. We have a rivet, so I'm going to go ahead and drill that out. There we are. Now I'm just going to slide this, pop it off of here. Let's take a look at the back side. All right, let's just try to pop this out of here. There's one. Let's set this aside. It's going to be time to get our inside door handle on here. You're going to find that you have your two rods. You have one that's going to be right here facing downward, and then you have the other one that's going to be facing towards us. Obviously, looking at the back side of the handle, you can figure out which one goes where. I'm going to start with the one that's going to be facing towards us because that's going to be pushing this down and into the door. Once we get that, we'll of course start on the other one as well. My finger on there. Just push that in so it locks. Let's do that other one. There we are. Hand it up through here. So now when we try to slide this in, you want to bring it forward, push it, and then slide it back. So all of your locking tabs lock it in. Make sure it's completely secured. Now let's grab a rivet and our rivet gun. Trim off whatever excess didn't come off. Perfect. Let's go ahead and install our speaker. You're going to have two ears. You want to put those into their slots, just like that. Now you have a squeeze tab right there. As you press, it should lock in. Give it a nice wiggle, make sure it's secured. All right, now it's going to be time to get our door panel back on here. Something that I want to show you real quick is you want to make sure that you have all of your little push pins, and those are going to go into the door panel itself. Other than that, we of course have our bulb right here. That's going to go into where the lamp's supposed to be. Just clips right in. After you do that, go ahead and take the rest of the wiring, put it up and in through the door handle. At this point, we're going to come up nice and high, up and over where this is supposed to sit onto. Slide it down as we push in. There we are. As you can see, it's not exactly lined up, so we need to continue. There we are. Go around pushing all of your push pins. Let's go ahead and take the wire that's going to go to the speaker, put it through this forward hole. Now we'll connect it in. Let's continue on by connecting in the rest of our wiring harnesses. Double check to make sure they're all connected in completely. You're going to notice that you have a little hooky-doo right here. That's going to slide under, so we're going to come in at an angle, bring it down and under like I said. Now we'll just continue on by pushing the rest of this in. Once it's lined up, just give it a light bonk. Perfect. Now let's put on this plate. Now let's put in our 2 long bolts into the handle. Start that one. Reinstall the clip. All right, now it's going to be time to get this foam piece back in there. Go ahead and squish it down, pack it in there. Now it's going to be time to install our last trim piece here. You're going to notice you have these little flippies that are going to go on the inside of the door panel, and then you have the outer edge that goes along the outer portion. Let's go ahead and slide it down on there. Now I'm going to grab onto this door panel. I'm going to gently pull it away. And then from the back side here, I'm just going to help the little piton down into its hole and put it in.